like the burning end of a midnight cigarette. She broke his heart. He spent his whole life trying to forget. Watched him drink his pain away, little at a time. But he never could get drunk enough to get her off his mind till tonight. Put that bottle to his head and pulled the trigger. Finally drank away her memory. Life is short, but this time it was bigger than the strength he had to get up off his knees. We found him with his face down in the pillow, with a note that said, "I'll love her till I die." And when we buried him beneath the willows, the angels sang a whiskey lullaby. La 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 la
She tried to hide the whiskey on her breath. She finally drank her pain away.